right, Dan Jack's Go with the Blues. You know, last day of it. You know, we kind of, you know, we don't want to waste anything, so we're trying to cook everything we can. So I'm gonna do just some Burgundy mushrooms. You can have them in your refrigerator, and you know, cook them on, put them on a steak, whatever. So I learned this recipe when I was doing my apprenticeship, when I was washing dishes when I was 14, 15. So red wine, a lot of red wine. Yep, a lot of red wine. What we got? Don't use it all in the cooking. Save some to drink. And good amount of butter. And salt and pepper. I put out the big dog here for this one.
Yeah.
And that's all we're gonna do is cover it up and let it go. Because after the boil, we'll turn it down a little bit, and we'll be right back. All right. We have contact. And we just keep that on, you know, keep that burning until it kind of reduces all the way down. Rich, you give me one more of those skillets. Hey, Paul, is there a shirt over there? So we'll do two for the price of one here. We'll do some pickled mushrooms. I don't have any bell peppers, so vinegar, some water, some salt and pepper. Wallet.
Yes.
I have in that second refrigerator.
Yes.
Door on the left. I have some fennel and some leeks.
Fennel she can do.
So put this in there with it. Yeah, beautiful. Fine. Take some up. Put it all right in there. Whatever you want. You want to put some carrots in with it. Do the we use the end that there's usually no sand gets up into that end. Okay, there's some nice circles. Fennel.
Smell that.
Oh yeah. Goes right in there. And look at this, last of the garlic. So we're gonna put that in. Paula, grab me a little bit more of that sun-dried tomato. See, right there, sun-dried. Okay, put the cover. I guess we'll do one video, Glenn, right?
Yeah, we'll just marry them all together here.
Yeah. That's nice. See the color? You're absorbing that color. Beautiful, right?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. And here we're going to put a little bit more sun-dried. Put a little sugar. That's it on the sugar. A little sugar, cut the acid. And then once that comes to the boil, the mushrooms will give up a lot of their own. Yeah. So I'm going to move this to the back burner. Move this one to the. See, that moves quick. When you hear that sizzle, you know you're reducing down pretty good. Let's test it for salt and pepper. You gotta be careful with the salt. I mean, just right on the edge with the salt, because what's that wine? It's got a little salt in it or something. Because once it reduces down, but that's it right there. See the shine? See the shine on the from the butter? Reduced down. Yep. Put them in a container, let them cool down, put them in a container in the refrigerator. Throw it out with some pasta, with some, that's a sauce in itself right there. Over a nice filet mignon or... All right, let's put that off to the side. A little more water, because you know you can put this in a mason jar, an old like a a jarred spaghetti. If you do buy jarred spaghetti, save your jars. Once this cooks down, I want to be able to taste and see where we're at. Pretty good. Little garlic powder. Like I said, if you add some nice colored peppers, it's a beautiful thing here. But instead of buying these jars, this costs hardly anything. Buy those pickled mushrooms. I think I might add just a little more vinegar.
Right behind you, Jack.
Yeah. Just a little more vinegar, because we want a little more tartness. That sugar, kind of balance it out. So that's it. We're going to reduce the fire down. Leave it alone for a little bit. Oh, I think we got about 10 minutes, Richie.
Yeah, you know what that means.
Sit down and kibitz for a little bit. Hey, Jax, go with the blues. We'll be right back. All right. That's what you're looking for right there. And put that in a jar. Put that in a jar, and you got yourself a sauce. Beautiful tasting mushrooms.
Smells great.
Woo. You know, you could do, if you wanted a lighter color, you know, the apple cider vinegar gives a little darker color. You use the white wine vinegar if you want a little lighter color. God bless. And so that's it. Mushrooms. Mushrooms and mushrooms. The Burgundy mushrooms and the pickled marinated mushrooms. You put them in a jar, they're nice and cool. I didn't put any oil, and then it's going to hold up well when they cool down. The flavor's going to get to the mushroom, be excellent. Glenn Peltier on camera, Paula Orsini Peltier, OrsiniSausageCompany.com. Richie Delasanto, come on over, Rich.
Arm's length. 6 feet,
Arm's
Rich.
length. All right, man. Hey, we'll keep in touch for sure, huh? We'll get together for a couple Colins outside.
Absolutely.
Huh?
Weather's getting nice.
The decks, it's gonna be 70 degrees. Just going to blues. You all stay healthy. You know, together as a family. You know, play some games. Get creative. Watch them cooking at home. Cooking channel. Just going to blues. Peace. We'll take some of that home, Richie.